Uba Manuel Badwar, Secretary Kamegalia Pradesh Congress Committee, hini kasngi ulalit ishim bintalang, bat kasamla, hakajingya bajarjar, hadon Bosco Square, like Mukra, katong kalong wan pinpaw, ya kajingkersha, jonga Congress, ya kijingdawa, nak sorkar pedeng, banshim kajingkit kli, halor kajingnait tu kikot jingkeli examen nid, bat wananra, kajing pinta, ya kapuli putih hapok kari.
Saya di traffic.
यहाँ पेट्रोल 50 I think all of us here are just coming to show support and solidarity with the students community as such per se. I think it's very critical and very important in this juncture and in this day of age that the frustrations, especially amongst the youth, especially amongst the students whose career is being impacted to a very large extent by the various misendeavors and the misadventures of the government, is something which is not right, because politics do play an important role when it comes to education system, and for the government to treat this as something which is very, should I say, minuscule in terms of importance for the national integrity, for the national, for the future of the country as such. I think most of these students have come here not because of simply wanting to protest, but I think it just shows a kind of frustration that is there in our society, and the frustration is boiling out every day. And yes, as young people, as young generation of this country, it is very difficult for them to even come out like this and show their frustrations. But somehow, if you look at, all of them are well learned. Normally, these are the people who will not want to be so active in all these kind of activities, but yet they've come up because they feel as if, it's really disheartening for them. And I think it's disheartening for everybody. It's disheartening for families who have struggled to put their children to school and who at least wants the best for their children. And if politics as such toys with them, plays around with the kind of policies and so on and so forth, and does not give a damn, it just shows that there's an epidemic that is happening in the education system which the government doesn't seem to care. And the government, come what may, they have demanded that the minister in charge of education is supposed to step down, while the government till now has not shown any empathy, should I say, or even sympathy for that matter. And I think these are very important critical issues here, because it defines the future of the country, it defines the future of the state, it defines the future of our society as such, as Indians, right? And these are the kind of things that I believe so that somehow or the other, the government, which is in power as of today, should at least listen. And you cannot just keep on ignoring this. You cannot just keep on saying that things will be right and you have to do it your way. So it just shows that probably education is not is not in the overall agenda of the government in probably improving it or something like that. So we stand to condemn this, and we here, yes, we here as a political party, but it does not mean that we here to represent the party, but we here as individuals, we here as citizens of this country who probably feel the same. And we know that the system needs to be rejected. I think the system needs to be reinvented to a very large extent, and I think that reinvention has to happen very soon. Otherwise, generations more will be lost, and huge, what you call as the intellectual capacity or the intellectual the income, the dividends that we're supposed to get from such from education as such will never happen, and we can't keep on losing generations and generations, especially in this day of age, where education plays a very critical role in economic development, in societal development, and so on and so forth. And we stand by these students, and we stand by each and the rest of the country. And I believe the Cockroach Janata Party is doing a good job in at least raising these issues. And I believe so that we, no matter who it is, all individuals and all citizens of the country should come forward and try the level best to at least support them. And we are with them, we will be with them, and we also have this firm belief that the future of this country has to change its trajectory, not exactly like how it is today. Thank you. Yeah.